Its birthplace has been traced to the Dalmatian coast of Croatia. It traveled across America in horse-drawn carts and covered wagons. Like many innovations with distant origins, it found its home in California. Its evolutionary path has included stops as jug wine, sacramental wine, and pink wine. Many years ago, a small group banded together with the goal of revealing its true essence: fine wine. It is Zinfandel. Zinfandel is the American spirit captured in a bottle. It is America's grape. It is America's wine. Zinfandel. Our grape, our wine.